In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks in Asana in 3 different ways. This tutorial will provide you with some handy techniques to streamline your workflow and enhance your project management skills. Let's dive right into it. First, let's get started by navigating to Asana. Open your web browser, head over to Asana's homepage, and enter your email address. Once that's done, click on the Continue button. Now input your password and hit Login. This will take you directly to your Asana homepage, where all the magic begins. Now that you're logged in, you're on the Asana homepage. Let's create a task first. To do this, click on the Create button. A drop-down will appear where you'll see an option labeled Task. Click on that. A form will pop up where you can fill out the details of your new task. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on Create Task, and your task will be added to Asana. Next, navigate to the My Tasks section, where you'll see the task you've just created. This is where you can really start customizing your workflow by adding subtasks to break down larger tasks into more manageable parts. Click on the task you've just created, and a window will open on the right-hand side. In this new window, you'll see a menu icon, often referred to as the More icon. Click on it. Here you'll find an option that says Convert. Choose Subtask, and you'll be prompted to select what part of the task you want to convert into a subtask. Once you've selected it, simply click Subtask to finalize. The second way to create a subtask is equally straightforward. While you're still working within the task panel, look for a button labeled Add Subtask. Click on this button, and Asana will instantly open a text field where you can type in your new subtask. Type in the subtask you want to add, and hit Enter. This method is quick and efficient, allowing you to create multiple subtasks in rapid succession. The third method is a keyboard shortcut that's perfect for those who love to keep their hands on the keyboard. While you have the task open, simply press Tab followed by S. This shortcut will immediately create a new subtask within the task you're working on. It's a super handy trick to speed up your task management process, especially if you have a lot of subtasks to add. And there you have it, 3 different ways to create subtasks in Asana. By incorporating these methods into your workflow, you can better organize your tasks, enhance productivity, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Give them a try and watch how they transform the way you manage your projects in Asana. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips.